Want to know how to turn off or turn on subtitles in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up a Game of Thrones game. So you can just simply open it up, and make sure you have downloaded all your resources, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the bottom right side you should be seeing the settings icon or the gear icon right here. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have figured that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And at the bottom you should be seeing language that should be right below gameplay. So simply select it. Now once you have figured out language, you should be seeing subtitles. So you can just simply select turn on or turn off as you wish. So it should be auto saved and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.